Gotta get this green, I gotta get this spinach, I gotta get big, I got it to the finish, I got it to the end, I got it to a win, I gotta get this money, my life I could spend. Look at me, man, I'm chillin' in the whip, I'm chillin' in the mountains, chillin' with a spliff, and that's about it. Weed is just blown, my mommy in the clouds, and that's where I'm going. I'm trying to go high, high to the sky, I'm in all red, bitch I can fly, and that's just why I stay slim. I'm like a French fry, but you wanna eat him, you wanna beat him, yeah, you wanna meet him, you wanna see me red, yeah, on the weekend, but I told you that I'm out, baby, yeah, I'm gone, you can't get daddy, you gotta get gone, I gotta get chipped, I gotta get this money, cause if I ain't getting money, then you start acting funny, you talking about bills, you talking about kids, you talking about wins, you talking about, I ain't talking about that, I'm talking about shit, I'm talking VIP, I'm up in the club, chillin' with my snub, yeah, my grip, cause I got the vest on, cause niggas is shit, look at me stay, my diamond's 50 mil, I don't give a fuck bitch, stay with the Mac mill. And you try to creep up, you try to get me, you try to put me in a sleeper, but it keep getting deeper.
So I'm Super Mario, stays in the red, yeah, call me Super Mario, stays in the brown, nigga, cause the dirt I come from, do you know you're not a nigga dirt come from? Yeah, nigga, east side like all day, while I throw the beats, yeah, like a 4K, I ain't talking yards, talking gut shots.
Hit you in your face, call them gut shots.
Bring 'em out, bring 'em